Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the mathematical lesson. Already we have part 1 is done. Now the second part is the mathematical induction. The next problem is n factorial is greater than or equal to 2 power n plus 1. Then the condition is n is equal to 5, 6 and so on. So in this problem we have to already we done the 3 steps, that is step 1, step 2, step 3. So first step is to prove that P of 1 is true. So we have to prove that the P of 1 is true. Then the left hand side of P of 1, they are given the first term is 5. So we have to prove that P of 5. So that P of 5, that is P of term 1, then the first term is 5. So we have to apply 5 factorial. So when we apply the 5, then we have to write the n to replace the 5 and n is equal to 5. Then 5 factorial is greater than or equal to 2 power 5 plus 1. See here the 5 factorial value, the value of 5 factorial, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then 5 4s are 20, 20 into 3, 60 into 2 is 120. So we have to write it as 120. Then greater than or equal to 2 power 6. So 2 power 6, the value of 2 power 6, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then so the value is 2 power 6 is 64. Then as per the method that n factorial is greater than or equal to 2 power n plus 1, then here the value is 120 is greater than or equal to 64. So it is condition is satisfied, therefore the P of 1 is true. Then as per the method of step 2, we assume that P of k is true. Then we have to write it as k into k factorial is equal greater than or equal to 2 power k plus 1. So here step 3, we have to prove that to P of k plus 1 is true. Already we done the P of 1 value is true. Then we assumed k factorial is greater than or equal to 2 power k plus 1. So continuing the step 3 is we have to prove P of k plus 1 is true. So now we apply the value k factorial. Already we know that the value of k factorial is greater than or equal to 2 power k plus 1. We get into the second step. Then apply multiple 2 on both sides. So we have to multiply on both sides. Then 2k factorial is greater than or equal to 2 into 2 power k plus 1. Then the 2 power a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus 1. So we have to apply in the 2 power 1 into 2 power 2 plus 1, 2 power 1 into 2 power k plus 1, 2 power k plus 1 plus 1, that is 2 power k plus 2. So 2k factorial greater than or equal to 2k power k plus 2. Then we have to rewrite it as 2k factorial is k into k plus 1 factorial is greater than or equal to 2 power k plus 1 plus 1. Then that k plus 1, that is for 2 into 3, we write it as 3 factorial. So we apply that k plus 1 factorial is greater than or equal to 2 power k plus 1 plus 1. Then so the finally we get the value of P of k plus 1 is true, because that k plus 1 2 power k plus 1. Let's see here n factorial, we replace that k plus 1, then greater than or equal to 2 power k plus 1 plus 1. So we have to prove that in this proof. So we have proved that k plus 1 the factorial is greater than or equal to 2 power k plus 1 Then the proof of k plus 1, p of k plus 1 is true. So this is the mathematical induction method. So that simply we have a 3 steps. Step 1 is we have to prove P of 1 is true. Then step 2 is P of k is true. Then finally we have proved P of k plus 1 is also. Thank you.